So we are just a month away from the launch of Samsung's next foldable and the Galaxy Watch 6. As of now, almost everything regarding Galaxy Fold 5 has been leaked, except official renders. Since Galaxy Fold 5 will be identical to Galaxy Fold 4, famous leakster Ice Universe predicts that Galaxy Fold 5 will have poor sales. According to his recent tweet, Fold 5 will have at least 20% lower sales than Galaxy Fold 4. If you look at the Fold 4 versus Fold 5 cases, there is an unchanged external screen. Also, it will have the same internal screen, but Samsung will hopefully introduce a better selfie camera for inside display. Last time Fold 4 was criticized for bad camera quality with its internal screen. Samsung has only relocated the flash on Fold 5 as compared to its location on Galaxy Fold 4. Anyways, foldables from Samsung are always exciting, but for the past few years, we are not seeing any major innovation from Samsung. Galaxy Fold 5 will bring a slightly bigger battery, but the more important thing will be chipset, that is going to be Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. This new chipset will bring a performance boost as well as better battery life. Now coming on to the good news, Samsung is bringing some exciting colors with Fold 5. According to Ross Young, Fold 5 will be available in blue, light blue, beige and black. We might also see some exclusive Samsung online colors for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. If you are looking to buy your first ever foldable, then buy Galaxy Fold 4 right now. It is available with some amazing discounts. I think that's a better option instead of going with the latest one, since there won't be a noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 4. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, as I'll be posting more updates regarding Fold 5 as well as Galaxy Watch 6. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.